Hello everybody, this is Helen, New England Thrifter, with another unboxing because I have so many boxes that have built up. So it's almost like Christmas. So I will mention these people that I got items from. Please like and subscribe to their channel. I believe this is from Pat Doodles. She has beautiful handmade gifts, and I got a autumn spice coffee. I think I won that, or and I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna have that later. So it's been a while, so I kind of forgot what I got. Oh, Pat, I love this. I'm gonna do some Christmas assemblages with these. Look at this glass. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. They are gorgeous. Thank you, Pat Doodles. I heart you. Let's see. Yeah, I got my... She packs everything so carefully, and I got little thank you stickers. I think I'm going to have to invest in those. I'm trying to like, see, little thank you. So sweet. And I'm going to poke my eye out with the scissors. Almost like a Christmas story. You're going to shoot your eye out. Let's see. I think I got 3 of these. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. That beautiful color. Yeah, I got quite the stuff now to, I need to really get into my assemblage mode. Look at that. Thank you, Pat. They are gorgeous. I'm putting that right down there because I'm going to be invoicing and packing after. Okay. This has been here for a while. This was from Nikki at Black Dog Vintage and Antiques, who I love. I adore her. This was from the last package I opened, and I saw it after. But look at these pins. These are beautiful, and they will go on a... These are perfect for a jewelry tree. And now that we're having a competition, she's probably sorry she gave me these, but she is going to do a fantastic job. I'm so excited about our little, I think it's going to be December 14th. I'm not sure what time. Guess I better find out, seeing I'm involved in it, but it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have a competition, friendly competition, Christmas tree, jewelry, Christmas tree. So we're going to craft it, and it's going to be fun. So look, she gave me these. Thanks, Helen. Oh, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Crazy 8s. Well, you know I'm crazy, so... And I got more little... See, this is how long ago it was Halloween. I got these. It says, thank you. Thank you. Enjoy my weird little creation, and heck, make it better. I know you can. Nikki, Black Dog Vintage and Antiques. I am sure she did fine for that. Oh, this was from a while ago. I got more of these, which I'm going to save for next. I decided I'm going to do Halloween all year round, assemblages and stuff, and then just have lots of cool things to sell. But yeah, what did I call this? This is a jar of spooky goodness, or Halloween goodness. Look at the brooch. So excited. Okay. My finger's stuck in the scissors. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so fantastic. Look at this. I kind of like it the way it is. See if I can find them. Sorry guys, she wrapped this so good. All right, I love this. You know what? I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. I really like it. I think I'm just going to put it up next. Look at this. Oh, Nikki, this is beautiful. I love it. I think I'm going to leave it. But you know what I think I'm going to do, Nikki? I am going to take this brooch, and I think I'm going to make this the centerpiece of your... So it's going to work on your tree today. Your black and white Christmas tree. And I think this is going to be, if I can get you there. I think this is going to be the centerpiece for your tree. Look at that, it's beautiful. Love it. See, Nikki, you have talent. You have a beautiful eye because this is gorgeous. And I'm not taking it apart. I'm going to leave it the way it is because I love it. I love her face peering out of the jar. Awesome. Thank you. I'm so excited about all my stuff. I know I got too much stuff, but can you really have too much stuff? I don't know. This I got a while back. This is from Twisted Tiny Treasures. See, it's a lot of it's Halloween stuff. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Yeah, I believe, is this, I'm trying to think of who this is. I don't know if it's, is this Julia's sister that I got? This I'm going to read to my granddaughter. It's, The Monster at the End of This Book. I had never heard of this, and I heard it was a great story. So yeah, and you know what I'm going to put it in? I'm going to put it in the, this is what I got from Pat Doodles, which my granddaughter's going to love. And I got books in there, and I'm going to add this book to there as a Christmas present. This is so cool. There we go. She's going to love that. I love it. She's going to adore that. Okay. Let's sort out everything. Oh, look it. I got this little perfect for my assemblages. I am like so excited. It's going to be, I'm going to invoice and pack today, and Devin's going to come help me, and then I just want a day of crafting. That's all I ask for, is just a day of crafting. This is from Catherine Young, which I got on one of her static sales. And I know what this is, and this is going in my room. I have a, oh, I love this. I have an owl-themed bedroom. And I saw this, and I fell in love with it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this owl macrame owl goodness. Thank you, Catherine. I love it. Yeah, that's definitely going in my room. In my owl collection. It It is the best. It's beautiful. This is my Christmas. I am so grateful. I am so grateful for all the people in this community. And I am so grateful for waking up today and being alive. My heart is really full of gratitude. And I send all that love out to you guys. Okay. This is from Sandy and Otto. Trisha. Ooh, creamy broccoli soup. I love these recipes. Okay. Now this was a while back. I forgot what I got from her. So, yeah. Let's see what I got. I still see little ears peeking out, so I'm thinking it might be an owl. Just saying. Oh, love it. Looks like an owl bookend. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And I love all this packing stuff because I'm going to be packing later, so it is going to go to good use. When I finish decorating, I'm working on it. I'm working like on 1,000 projects all at once. I think I'm a little ADD. I start something, and then I go on to something, and then I go back to something. Eventually, though, I do finish. But when I get my stuff together, I think I'm going to show how I decorate. Not that I decorate great, but it's just fun. Look at my bookends. Look at my owl bookends. I don't know why I'm talking this way. I think they're British owls. I don't know why. I just feel like they are. Bloody hell. Oh, I love these. Yes. See if I have. I just have to check because I cannot never remember what I got. Oh, these are packed so fantastically. Yeah. So, this I got from Dee. Thrill of the Thrift. And I love it. Oh, I got a little card. Here's a vintage card. I love her. She's like everybody's best friend. She's everybody. Dee, Thrill of the Thrift, is everyone's BFF. Unless you piss her off. Don't piss her off. You gotta roll correctly if you want to be Dee's BFF. That's all I have to say. I love this. It reminds me all the teapots and tea and all. My mom is a Brit, and it just reminds me of her. Love this. So I'm working on a little kind of cocoa station, coffee bar, and I want to have a little area for tea. So I think this is going to go there. It's beautiful, made in England. Thank you, Dee. It represents my mom. And Dee, I'm praying for you and your mom. Just throwing that out there. And I think that's it. I think that is, and I just want to say hi to my nieces out there, Debbie and Susan. And Debbie, you watch, you leave comments, and know I'm thinking of you every day, and I'm praying for you and your mom and your dad and everybody. I heart you. So yeah. All right. And Susan and I are planning a trip when things calm down up to visit you guys and to support you. That's what I got to say about that. And this is it. Oh, I love this. I love this. I'm going to cry. This really reminds me of my mom. All right. I think I finally just about caught up. I still have things from Maria that I got to open from way back, and that's California Thrifter, and I think I'm going to save that because there's 2 big boxes. I order stuff or purchase stuff from her, and she saves up, because she's in California, saves up a box for me, and I feel bad because these are things from months ago, but I think I'm going to just honor her with a separate unboxing just for Maria, California Thrifter. Okay, everybody, hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm sending love and light. I'm praying for you all, for us, for everybody. Be kind to each other. Look out for each other. And that's it. Bye.